Hello everyone, welcome to the market video update. So currently US dollar index has already broken our strong resistance zone. So what I'm looking for now is I might expect it might go to the higher prices, but before that I'm expecting it might take a retest around here and then take a bounce back to the upside. The first target will be here and then the second target will be here. So this is a first resistance for the DXY and then this is second target for the DXY. So for now it seems like it's already broken the resistance zone. So for now I'm expecting it might take a short-term retrace and take a retest and might aiming for the 101.712 as the first target is it. And then if it breaks here, it might goes over to 103 and to 103.263. Let's move on to the gold. The gold, okay, as we can see, during the market open, it has a gap around here. So, but we can see that it has a quick pullback. So what I'm expecting for the gold is, since the US dollar index is going to the upside, so I might considering to take a short around here. But according to the fundamental side, that I might support the gold might turn to a short-term bearish momentum, but in the long run, it's still in a bullish momentum. So the first target will be holding above. If it is holding above 4,204, I mean 4,197. If it hold above this key level, what I'm expecting gold is it might going back to the 44,421 this price area. And move on to the Dow Jones. So as we can see, the Dow Jones for the past days, it filled the gap. After it filled the gap, this we call it liquidity zone. So it filtered all the liquidity here and has a huge pullback to the upside. So what I'm expecting for the Dow Jones is, this Nasdaq. For the Nasdaq is still of bullish momentum. So I might happy to see it creates a new all-time high in this week. So for the Dow Jones, okay, we can see that Dow Jones is already filtered its gap, same as the Nasdaq. So it filtered its gap and it's turning to the bullish momentum again. So what I'm expecting is, if its candle is forming above 51,570, this price above, I might expecting is still a bullish momentum. So let's move on to the US oil. Okay, US oil is running to our final target around here. So what I'm expecting is, I'm expecting it might fill the gap around here for this week. Okay, so this is my expectation for this week. The US oil might filling this gap around 67 until 69, this area. Let's move on to the German 40, which is DAX. So DAX is experiencing a rejection. So we can, for today, I might observing this daily candle. If it's forming below the 25,000, what I'm going to do is taking a short opportunity around this level. Am I targeting this level as my first target? This level might be my first target, and then this level might be my second target. The first target will be 24,362. The second target will be 23,347.